Here's the problem. A resume can say AI skills and prompt engineering all day, but hiring managers and leaders are thinking, can I trust you? Can I trust you with this in the real world? So you need proof, not claims. And the easiest way to prove it, an AI proof of work portfolio. Resume style portfolios prove, and Artifact 1 is an AI-assisted report that includes summary, sources, and recommendations. This matters because it shows you don't just generate text, you validate and you decide. So Jordan is asked, give me a quick brief of vendor options. Instead of sending an AI-generated summary, Jordan sends a one-page memo. The key points, the cited sources, the risks and assumptions, and recommendations plus why. Leadership starts trusting Jordan with bigger decisions. Not because Jordan is loud, but because Jordan is credible. Now, the guardrails, rule of thumb, never present AI output as fact without verification. I'll say that again. Never present AI outputs as fact without verification. And include a section when necessary. And sometimes some organizations actually require you to include your sources, assumptions, what you verified, and what needs confirmation. The second artifact is this, a workflow that saves time. This is how you prove you are not using AI. You are improving work. Now, I know that sounds somehow, but if you're making your work more efficient while still showing your credibility, while still showing your value by displaying a high level of judgment, verifying what AI has generated, verifying the AI outputs, you're proving that you are improving your work. You're making yourself more efficient with time. You're making yourself more efficient with resources. Now, Jordan notices a teammate spend 3 hours weekly writing the same updates. Then Jordan builds a workflow, inputs the project notes in the workflow. The AI generates a structured executive update. Then Jordan verifies and edits. And outputs 3 bullet points, owners, and dates. Jordan documents before and after. This took 3 hours. After the workflow was created, it took 45 minutes. That's a measurable value. That's a return on investment. AI skills become a career leverage when it saves time or reduces risk. Another guardrail, never automate blindly, especially when sensitive data is involved. Use these rules. Don't paste confidential data into public tools. Do not paste confidential data into public AI tools. That can easily get you fired. Remove personal identifiers. Use a human approval step before sending. So do not just send what AI generates. You have to have a human in the loop. Log what AI produced versus what you changed. This will help you get better as you work with these AI tools. Now to the third artifact. This is a sleeper. It looks simple, but it makes you stand out. Create an AI risk plus ethics checklist, because in the real world, the biggest question is not if you can use AI. It is, can I trust you to use it responsibly? Jordan's coworker copy AI output into a client deliverable. No verification. The deliverable contains wrong claims. The client catches it and trust takes a hit. Now, Jordan becomes a person leadership trust because Jordan uses checklists like, is this factual or generative? What sources support it? Any hallucination risk to be worried about? Any bias, any confidential data included? Who approves before it goes out? This artifact signals maturity. In this AI era, trust is the new credential. And include this hard rule set. Never paste passwords, social security numbers, customer PII, proprietary financials in an AI tool. Always verify conclusions. Always disclose AI assistance if required by policy. Always keep a human in the loop for high-stakes decisions. If you build these 3 artifacts, you will do something most people never do. You will make your AI skills visible, measurable, and trustworthy. Next, I'll show you how to use this artifact to level up at work without looking like you're cutting corners. Jordan is a new AI translator who helps the teams work smarter without embarrassing mistakes. Now let's talk about the part people skip until it asks them, stay safe and credible. Because the fastest way to destroy trust in this era is not incompetence. It is confidently sharing something AI generated that turns out to be wrong, sensitive, or unethical. AI mistakes don't just cost accuracy, they cost reputation. Here are the 4 trust rules I want you to follow every time you use AI at work. Verify before you amplify. If it is a fact, confirm it. If it is advice, test it. If it is a conclusion, ask, what evidence supports this? It's just a simple art. Never forward any AI outputs without doing at least one verification step. Source check, cross-check, or a domain expert confirmation. And now to the second rule, cite when it matters. If you were producing a report or a memo or anything that influences decisions, include sources. Even if it is not formal citations, do at least source links where this came from. Credibility is not confidence. Credibility is receipts. And now to the third rule, never paste sensitive information. Treat AI tools like public spaces unless the company explicitly provides a secure, approved AI environment. Do not paste passwords, keys, that's name, contact, account data, proprietary financials, legal documents, contracts, internal incident details, security configurations. All these are proprietary documents and all regulatory documents. Do not paste them in AI tools. And the fourth rule is to be transparent about AI assistance when appropriate. You don't have to announce. AI wrote this for every email, but for deliverables, for reports, or anything regulated or high stakes, transparency protects you. A safe line is drafted with AI assistance and reviewed and validated by me. This is transparency. It is not weakness. It is risk management. Before you hit send, run the credibility stack. Did I verify the facts? Did I add resources or references? Did I remove sensitive information? Did I apply judgment and rewrite what needs rewriting? Would I defend this in front of my boss, a client, or the legal department? If the answer is no on any of these questions, then pause. Now that you know how to use AI like a power user and stay credible, let's close with the move that makes this pay off, turning this into visibility and career leverage. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please hit the subscribe button, like and share this video, and share this channel with anyone you think can benefit from the channel. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.